Gruezi mitenand. For tonight's dinner, Schlarraffenland will show you how to make wonton soup. Together, we'll make a simple pork and shrimp wonton to be enjoyed with a light, delicious, and umami broth. Don't be fooled by the simplicity of the recipe because this is a dish packed full of flavors. This would be perfect for a light dinner with your crush or to carry straight to bed for your partner when he or she is a little under the weather. So what are you waiting for? Let's go make wonton soup. We'll start with preparing the broth. First, let's clean 500 grams of pork bone. Put the bones in a pot and pour in water to cover the bones. Bring the water to a boil. Once water has boiled, drain the bone and rinse it with warm water to get rid of the fat and dirty residues. Return your bones into the pot. Now, we'll prepare the aromatics. Peel and char 20 grams of ginger and half an onion. This will help them release the lovely taste and aroma better. Peel and cut half a medium-sized kohlrabi and 1 carrot into bite-sized pieces. Once done, put the kohlrabi, carrot, charred ginger, and onion in with the bones. Add water to the pot to cover everything up to 1 knuckle of your finger and bring them to a boil. Remember to remove the scum regularly. Once the broth is boiled, reduce the heat to low. Season the broth with 2 tablespoons of broth mix or salt, half a tablespoon of rock sugar or regular sugar, but rock sugar will give you a clearer, lighter taste, half a teaspoon of MSG, and pepper. As usual, go wild on the pepper because pepper is awesome. Let it simmer for at least 20 minutes to extract all the flavors from the bones and the aromatics. Optimally, after about an hour, broth should be done by now. Remove the bone from your broth and lower the heat to low to keep it warm while you prepare the wonton. Now, let's make your wonton. Mix 50 grams of minced shrimp, 50 grams of ground pork, 4 minced mushrooms, 3 cloves of finely chopped garlic, 1 large onion, minced, and 10 grams of ginger, also minced. Season the mixture with half a teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, a 1/4 teaspoon of broth mix or salt, and half a teaspoon of sesame oil, and as much pepper as you like. Mix everything together very well, and your wonton filling is ready. Now it's time to call on your dexterity and get to the fun part, wrapping. If you have 0 dexterity, it's okay. Just call someone who does and promise to feed them wonton. They would not say no to your offer. So let's wrap our wonton. Make your thumb and index finger into a circle like this and center the wonton wrap on top. Scoop a small scoop, about half a tablespoon of filling, and put it in the hole in the middle of the wonton wrap. Don't be greedy and put too much or the wonton will burst. Use your finger to push the filling down the hole until all the filling is fit snugly inside your finger circle and the wonton wrap. Twist the top of the wonton skin together like this to make a well-sealed little pouch like we do here. See, wrapping wonton is a whole delicious art form in itself. If you're feeling a little artistic, you can try different shapes of your creation. When you're almost done with your wrapping, prepare a pot of water and bring it to a boil to cook the wontons. After you're done with wrapping all of your wontons, gently drop those snuggy little meat pouches of yours into the boiling water. Wait for them to learn how to swim and start float to the surface. Let them enjoy the hot bath and float for 2 to 3 minutes. Afterward, take them out and put them in cold water for 1 minute. Then drain off the water, and then they'll be ready to serve with your umami broth. Remember, don't let the wonton soak in broth or cold water for too long, or they will get soggy and sad. And voila! There you have it, your own wonton soup. When you're ready for dinner, just simply pour the broth over the wonton and serve it with some hoisin and chili sauce for dipping. Your stomach and heart will be so warm in no time. And if you desire more heart and tummy warming recipes, then please consider liking and subscribing to our channel to learn more yummy recipes. Now all that's left is, and with the bon appetit, itadakimasu, mời cả nhà ăn cơm, and dig in!